Here is our 1986 Kdx200. The flywheel magnets have become debonded and the stator was damaged, so we decided to swap it out with a new one. We picked up an aftermarket kit from regulatorrectifier.com. Here's the old one. As you can see, the magnets have become debonded. The new flywheel is substantially lighter than the OEM flywheel, but after test driving it, it still had plenty of low end. We had no issues with calling over obstacles and limbs and such, which was surprising, and we've been happy with it so far. The instructions were a little unclear. The biggest thing is you need to find out which direction your engine turns so you can line up your flywheel to the correct mark. You also need top dead center, -2 to 4 millimeters. So I found top dead center with a dial indicator, then used the digital micrometer to double check my -2 millimeters. As you can see, it has 2 separate marks. It depends on which direction the engine turns, which you can determine by kicking over the kickstart. There's no keyway on this flywheel, so it's all friction holding on there. So you have to make sure it is cleaned properly and torqued properly. And then the backing plate is pretty self-explanatory. It bolts right in with screws. It only goes in really one way, lining up the stator wiring. We did a lighting kit also. You can get with or without. It's pretty straightforward, and we use a aftermarket light. We have put 10 hours on this so far, and here are a couple clips of us using it.